Okay, so we need to ask ourselves an extremely serious question. Who is the best chef in the world? Chef 1, Gordon Ramsay. Is he the best chef? It's tough to say. The truth of the matter is, he's one of the most iconic chefs in the sense that he's most notable for his TV shows, his reactions, etc. But when you look at a chef who's also from the United Kingdom, in fact, England, Jamie Oliver is extremely reputable himself. I think the philanthropy and the aspect of him giving back to the community is what's quite remarkable. Another one of the best chefs, you can look at Chef Michael Smith, who spends a lot of his time in Canada, from New York originally. Is he the best? Does he make the best dishes? It's tough to say. Then you can look at chefs like Wolfgang Puck, who are extremely creative, European descent, and an extreme global phenomenon. It's extremely difficult to say who in fact is the best chef. And the truth is we'll probably never know, but what we do know is that each chef has their own specialty item. Check out their vids to see what you like and who you like the best. There's so many chefs in the world, right? It's just a matter of being the best chef on television. Just wanted to say thanks for watching amazingly satisfying videos. Yeah, just continuing to make content. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video if you enjoyed it. Thanks.